Hello everyone, I'm Saurabh Gusai and I welcome you all in the next video of my office lab. In this video, I'll be talking about 5 count functions which are count, count A, count blank, count if, and the last is count if s. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. As you can see on the screen, I have a huge data with more than hundreds of sales record, and the count function over here will help me out to know the exact number of sales record. So for that, I will just type in equal to count, will press a tab key, and for the values, I will select the sales unit numbers, will close a bracket and hit enter. And here it is. As you can see, it has given me the result as 189. And just for information, count function can be used to count only numbers. It cannot count the cells which contain text as values. Let me show you what happens when we apply the same formula for text values. So for that, I will type in equal to count, will press a tab key, and for the values, this time I will select the representative names, will close a bracket and hit enter. And here it is. As you can see, it has given us 0 as a count, as there are no numbers in the selected range. Now what if we want to count the text as well? So for that, we can use a count A function. This count A function generally count the number of cells in the given range that are not empty. It means either it is a text or a number. It will count and give us a result. Let me show you how. Now I will type in equal to count A, will press a tab key, and for the values I will select the representative names, will close a bracket and hit enter. And here it is. As you can see, it has given me the result as 190, as it has counted column header as well. So now what about the empty cells? Like what if we want to count how many blank cells are there in our data range? For that, we have a function count blank. Yes, count blank is a function which helps us in counting the blank cells in a specific data range. For that, I will just type in equal to count, will select a count blank, I will press a tab key, and for the range, I will select the sales unit. Will select till the last, will close a bracket and hit enter. And here it is. So we have in total 10 blank cells. Let's say I delete one more value, and as you can see, the count of blank cells have increased to 11. The next function I have is count if. Let's suppose we want to count the sales unit which are less than 10. So for that, I will type in equal to count if, will press a tab key, and for the range I will select the sales unit. And as we want the count for less than 10 units, I will type in less than 10 into double quotes, will close a bracket and hit enter. And here it is. We got the answer as 21, which means 21 sales representatives have sales unit less than 10. The next and the last function we will be covering today is count if s. In this, we will be taking multiple criteria into consideration while counting the cells as compared to count if, where we just have option for one criteria. Let's suppose I want to know how many people from South region have at least 11 sales unit. So for that, I will type in equal to count if s, will press a tab key, and my first range would be the region, so I will select the region, comma, and as we want it to be from south, so I will type in south into double quotes, comma, and my second range would be the sales unit. We'll select that, comma, and as we want it to be at least 11, so I will type in greater than equal to 11. Oh sorry, it should be in double quotes, so I will type it again, greater than equal to 11 into double quotes, will close a bracket and hit enter. And here it is. We got the answer that only 43 people from South region has at least 11 sales unit. So that's it for today. If I was able to refresh your Excel knowledge, then do hit a like button and comment down below. And yes, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Stay safe and keep learning, guys.